video I'm gonna show you how you can change Fortnite username on the Nintendo Switch. So you will need to use either a PC or a mobile phone to do this, but what we want to do is go search for Epic Games, load up the website here, the first website that pops up, click on sign in, and then we will need to choose Nintendo as a login option. So once you choose Nintendo here, and it's going to ask you for your email and password on the Nintendo account. I already had input that, so it just loads up the account for me. And if we want to change our Fortnite name, we'll click on our name here in the top right and then go into account. Once we have gone to account here, you will see display name. This is going to be the name that's going to be displayed on Fortnite. So if we just want to click on this little pencil and paper icon, and here's where we type our new name that we want to use. And we'll just have to confirm this, that we cannot name change again for 2 weeks. Click on confirm. That's going to change your name on the Nintendo Switch Fortnite. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.